What's up everybody? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to connect Arc to your MetaMask wallet. At this time, they only have Testnet available, but once the mainnet is going to go live, this is going to be exactly same way and it's going to be exactly same page as well. So for all the information, I'm going to leave this link in the description below. So first thing we need to do, we need to go to docs.arc.io. And in here on this website, there's a couple different ways to do it. Either we can do it manually or we can just connect MetaMask. If you press on connect wallet, MetaMask is available, you press on it, then it's going to pop up over here. It's going to show you which wallet is going to be connected to. You press on connect and then it's going to ask you to confirm to add Testnet to MetaMask wallet. So this is one way. If you press on confirm, it's going to add automatically and it's going to be there. But let's say, for example, you don't want to do that. You don't trust this website. You don't want to connect your MetaMask wallet. So here's what you will need to do. You'll need to open up your MetaMask wallet and then add this information into MetaMask manually. And I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So MetaMask, once it's going to open up over here, press on hamburger menu in the top right corner and then on networks, add custom network because base is not in there. And that's the information we'll have to copy from here and we'll add in here. Okay, once all that is added, we just need to press on save. That's it. Arc Testnet was successfully added, and like I stated earlier, this is going to be exactly same way to add Mainnet once it's going to be available. It's just going to be slightly different new RPC URL and Explorer URL. And in here you can see custom network Arc Testnet is available. Then we can go back here and in here we can change to Arc Testnet or Arc when it's actually going to be available. Press on it, that's it. USDC, this is their chain ID currency symbol. This is what they're gonna use for gas. And that's pretty much it. That's how you add Arc to your MetaMask wallet. All the links and all the information I'm gonna leave in the description below. Good luck to everybody and thanks for watching.